As the world increasingly recognises the importance of renewable energy, Gautam Solar is poised to be the trusted partner for international markets. Our commitment to renewable energy drives us to provide innovative solutions and contribute to the global transition towards a more sustainable future. One of our innovative solar solutions is the G2X-10BB, a highly powerful and efficient bifacial module. As a bifacial solar module, the G2X-10BB can produce power from both sides, increasing the overall energy generation. The module's power can reach up to 550 watts. This results in less space per watt, allowing customers to meet their needs with fewer modules. This module is also highly efficient, being able to reach 21.27% peak efficiency thanks to half-cut technology. Half-cut technology brings more advantages to the bargain. Not only does it improve efficiency by reducing internal resistance, but also ensures better shade tolerance and resistance to the hotspot effect. Another beneficial technology that this module is equipped with is the PERC design, wherein a passivation layer is added to the back of each solar cell. This innovative feature enhances the module's efficiency by minimising electron recombination and optimising light absorption capabilities. This product is also built to last. Non-destructive cell cutting was employed to prevent micro cracks and enhance the module's durability, giving it 30% more mechanical strength than modules produced by manual laser cutting. Furthermore, it is equipped with durable components including an IP68 standard junction box, a tempered front glass with anti-reflective coating, and an anodised aluminium frame, ensuring operational safety and reliability. Gautam Solar has been at the forefront of the renewable energy revolution, delivering high-efficiency solar modules across the globe for over 25 years. We make significant investments in cutting-edge technologies and state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities to ensure that our products are not only technologically advanced, but also exceptionally reliable.